Hello world, how are you all doing? I hope you're having good days out there, everyone, each and every one of you. It is time to take a look at 4 areas that I'm watching as I trade and why. These are 4 key levels coming at you off of crude oil. They will be relatively close to where price is currently trading, so I am interested to see if by the time you watch these videos, if any of these areas have yet to be played with. Let's start with our first line down, which is at 73, and the one right below. We'll adjust them at the same time. The one below it's 72, the one above it's 73. If we continue to climb higher from where we're currently trading at the time of this video, this is an area for both the bulls to really solidify their presence and give themselves an opportunity to jump up off of. These both could function as trampoline spots for the bulls if they so decide to build upon them. Now down below that we have 69 marked off. It's currently an area of support. The market does seem to be trying it. We'll see if it holds. If it doesn't, down below it we have 67 marked off. Another important psychological area from the past. Good luck, happy trading. I'll see you all very soon.